I never saw myself working for the automotive industry or thought it was something that I was even capable of until I had this opportunity.
Probably one of the first jobs that I've had where I really enjoy getting up and coming to work every day.
This is a great organization to be a part of. We're very forward thinking and there's lots of opportunity for advancement, and there's many career types that we have.
At all levels throughout the dealership, there's people in positions that started at lower levels and more entry-level positions and have moved up through the organization, and that's by design and on purpose.
Last year we had an internal promotion rate of 58%, which is a significant percentage of internal employees that have been able to progress their careers.
It's a great place to work. The opportunity for advancement is incredible. It doesn't matter what level it is that you come in, there's always a chance for you to be able to move up, to better yourself, to increase your income, and just generally make yourself really feel good about being part of a successful, hardworking community team.
My career with the Beyak Automotive Group started at reception. I then became a service advisor, dabbled in finance, moved into sales and leasing, and now I'm the sales manager.
I started doing co-op right in high school in grade 12. I really liked what I was doing in the shop, so I decided to start right out of high school, and that's what I did. I began my journey as a lube technician, and then, but situations health-wise, I decided to move into service, worked my way up the ladder, and now I'm the parts manager.
I started as reception, then moved into service writer, and from there sold cars for about a year and then into the business office.
I started working for Sunset Country Ford in the parts department as a parts advisor. From there I moved to the sales department as a sales and leasing consultant. And then after that I moved to the marketing and PR position. I was there for 9 months, and then I got promoted to the sales manager at Fort Francis GM. From there I got promoted to the general manager, and that's where I am today.
I started out over 20 years ago in a wash bay position and moved into an automotive apprenticeship position, then into a service management position, and now into a fixed operations management position.
One of the attributes I think of our organization is agility. We try to put people in the best positions for them. So for example, if they join the organization and it's maybe not the right fit in the job that they've been hired for, we have time to look at their skills, see what their absolute fit would be, and then put them in the right place for them and for the organization, to give them professional fulfillment and to make, again, the organization run more efficiently.
It's an absolutely wonderful place to work. You know, as great as the boss and the directors are, I think it's far more important that you really like the people you work with. And so far in all of the stores I've been involved in, it's just a good set of people working everywhere. Easy to get along with, easy to work well. Everybody wants to do a good job.
It's a very friendly atmosphere. Everyone always says good morning to you. Like basically everybody is willing to help you out at any time, which is really nice.
I believe that we are a community here in each of our dealerships.
An excellent place to promote a long career where you can feel fulfilled and be part of a team.
It's amazing. I love working here. The energy, the people, the conversations, the learning experience is always happening. So I really like that.
A lot of the positions in the dealership are customer-facing. Experience in a customer-facing environment is a huge skill that could help you go far with this organization.
Generally, knowing how to treat customers and be respectful and kind of try to put yourself in their shoes.
Definitely a positive attitude. I think if you can come in every day and make everybody laugh or feel good about what they're doing, but then hard work.
A willingness to learn, a willingness to cooperate, a willingness to listen, and just a positive attitude is huge.
Being able to listen and understand customers' concerns and employee concerns, and doing what's right at the end of the day.
Adaptability, that I'm able to adapt quite quickly to different circumstances or different environments.
Working to build relationships with your coworkers, very good communication skills.
Organization for certain. It's a very fast-paced, busy dealership. Definitely multitasking is top on the list as well.
We believe that employee satisfaction not only comes from the workplace, but from the communities that we give back to, and we're proud to make our communities better for our employees and all of the residents in the communities.
And we can only do that by having an amazing staff that takes care of our customers and our customers that patronize our business. That allows us to invest money back in the community to enhance life for everyone in it. That is a huge motivation of mine on a daily basis to improve the communities that we operate in.
People that want to join the Beyak Automotive Group, I push hard to apply and put your name in. The beautiful thing with the size of our organization, we continue to grow and we are able to make positions with people that we think we can work with.
We're constantly looking for good people to join this organization. We're adding brand new positions to the group every day. So sometimes even if a specific job isn't posted, doesn't mean that we don't think we could fit you in somewhere, and even create positions for people in some cases.
Whatever position you get, you'll either fit into it or the opportunity will be to move somewhere else in the organization to find the job that suits you perfectly.
You'd be joining an organization that, gives you an opportunity for a long-term career and not just a job.
We have a lot of great benefits here, and Nick is such a great boss to us, and he does so much for us.
It's fun to be here. If you are looking for a future and you have a positive energy and you like people, you should be here.
Every day is different, so I come here, no day is the same. Basically, it's exciting, it keeps it interesting, and it's fun.
If you are looking for a positive environment, all 4 of our dealerships are fantastic, full of great people. We like to find hard-working, like-minded people. This is the place for you.
I was already employed somewhere else, and I just gave it a shot, and now I think that this will be a long-term career for me.
I know back in 2015 it was kind of a big career move for me. I didn't really know anything about the job or the industry. I didn't know anything about cars for sure. And I took the leap. I always say I should have got into it earlier, to be honest.
We spend more waking hours together with each other at work than we do with our own families. So creating a caring, enthusiastic, positive work environment is one of my most important responsibilities, and I take that very seriously. So when people walk up to the doors of work, I want them excited and enthusiastic to walk through those doors and take care of our customers and take care of their fellow employees.